Barbie Fortesa update. Na-spotted sila Barbie at Jameson Blake na sumali sa Aqua Run for Cribs Foundation and Fun Run for a Cause na namataan silang magkakawak kamay na naman habang tumatakbo. Grabe yun. And kasama rin nila Barbie at Jameson and sila ay mag-couple. Derek Monasterio at si Elvin Nueva kasama rin nila tumakbo.
Hi everyone, I'm Barbie Fortesa with Jameson Blake and we are here for Manila City Bronze Aqua Run. Our first time to join this year. We're very excited. I heard marami mga panapili.
Pero kaya, it's gonna be a fun run and looking forward to see how it's gonna work out.
Yan
See you around.
the Barbie. Tapos yan pa na nag-warm up muna sila bago tumakbo. Warm up. Zumba. And magpo-couple sila Derek Maestro sa Elvin Nueva. Tapos sila Jameson Blake at Barbie Fortesa. Nag-warm up. Kaya na nga, nag-start nila tumakbo. Excited na nga si Barbie with Jameson Blake. Ayun na nga, swerte ni Kuya, kasabay niya.
Let's go, runners! Let's go! Let's go!
Let's go! Yan pang may picture nila, may padila pa nga si Jameson Blake. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.